Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you my brand new Taycan. This is a rear wheel drive and I will explain all the options throughout all the videos that I'm gonna make. So this is the first upgrade I'm gonna do. This is an orange side marker that comes with US Taycans, but I want to upgrade that to the European clear side markers. I will show you how I'm going to switch that to a clear European version, how it's meant to be. I got the upgrade wheels, electric charge port, a panorama roof, just beautiful 21-inch spider wheels with all-season tires. It has a super wide butt. The straight line that represents Taycan is beautiful. And the option for the gloss Taycan logo. And the front, it's super wide. So I'm in my garage. It's the orange side markers. It is a little bit smoked, so it kind of looks good, but still, it's orange. At the Suncoast Porsche, these are the original part numbers, 41 and 42. That's the right one and the left one. So you have to get both. The packaging is nice. So it looks like this. Check this out. Look at that. What a difference. And this will still blink amber. So I'll show you the blinkers real quick, the default blinkers. Okay, so Taycan blinks like this. There's the main light, but these are the daytime running lights that turns amber. So this is the upgrade that I'm gonna do right now. I don't know other Porsches have the blinkers here. I don't have it. And in the back, so blinker is here and here, the entire thing. But the middle stripe remains on constant. Look at that. Beautiful, man. I don't have a blinker. That might be an option, I'm not sure. Right here, the amber in the middle blinks, and these are reflectors. To install this easier, turn the wheel all the way to inside, so there's the huge opening by removing those screws there. So you need a torque screwdriver. You have to remove this. This will pop out, unplug. Inside screw, it's a T15 torque screw. The screw came off. It pops out like this. But see right there, you have to unhook the electric cord in there. That tab right there. You just have to push that and it will pop out. Okay, that's it. You just push it and it pops out. That's it. No damage. I think they changed the design a little bit because on the forum they said there's a spacer or something, but this one obviously doesn't have it. See, this is same. Okay, so let's plug this in now into this hole there. Let's clean everything here. Hold from the back like this with your finger and just push it in. It's clipped in right now. Okay, clip the front and then push the back, and now we're gonna screw that in, right? Let's test it first. Super clean. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So then this black trim matches that trim. That's why I added that option. I'll deal with that option later in different video, but 50% of the reason is I wanted black here, black stripe, and then black stripe. Because if you don't get that option, it comes with a bigger opening that flips up like a gas cap. And it's always flipped out, so you have to worry about someone breaking that when you leave your car, even though car is locked. But this one, it hides inside the vehicle. Safe, but I just wanted that look, black trim to black trim, because then empty space, all this with no accent. So I added that, and I'm glad I did. So one good idea for easy installation is, because this screw hole is new, grab the old screw and tighten it from here already, so it gives that new groove. So when you actually tighten it, it'll be a lot easier. Okay, so I made the track. It has the screw marks, So let's plug it back in. It works best with a T20 torque screw. Okay, so I completed installing both sides. The single amber light, and it's all blacked out here. And it's a very smooth amber, different than the stock ones. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Okay, so it's all blacked out. So look at the flow of this black stripes. Beautiful. As you can see, there's no error code. Right after the install, there was an error code saying check the front side lights, but I just activated a couple turn signals. Within 30 seconds, it cleared the error. Because it is the genuine Porsche part, that there's no problems with this modification. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.